Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Motion Town Review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this offer called the Motion Town. So this is the Motion Town Review. Right now we are on the sales page and you have everything to see on the sales page before you buy this. It says create high converting animated explainer video complete with a real human voiceover in 60 seconds. Creating animated explainer videos made easy. 1, 2, 3 steps to remarkable results better than top agencies. Okay. Now this is an example video which you see here. So this looks cool to me, right? If you are a freelancer who make money by creating these kind of animated videos for their clients, I think you would want to buy this. So it says here a lot of things. So if you want to come to the sales page, you will find the link below my video in the description. It will be saying grab a Motion Town copy here. Click on that link. That link will take you to the sales page where you can come and check out everything in your own time. So step 1 is choose your template. Then step 2 is add your or your client's business details, and step 3 is export and then download the video and send it to your client or use it for yourself. Okay, now once you scroll down you will find a video which will explain how to edit these videos. As you can see, this is the video here. You can come and click on this play button and watch this video in your own time. Okay, in this video they're showing here how to go and edit these templates as per your business details and then export them, and all of this is being done inside PowerPoint. Okay, so this is not a software. These are templates which you will be able to open in the PowerPoint, which you will have to edit as per your business details. Then you have module 1, Motion Town video explainer template. So these, again, this is a video here. You see the play button. So I will not click on this. I will leave this for you to do your own research. So come on the sales page, watch these videos one by one. There are many. Okay, there are many sample templates which you have to play individually and check them out and then go and buy if you want to. So this is good for people who are freelancers or you use you use into your own projects. Okay, you can see here characters, then poses, professional. So you can always use these things. Just if you are into video editing and all that, you can utilize these things in a good way. Pictogram animation. Okay, so you see there are a lot of templates, so a lot of sample videos which you have to come and see in every module. So this is module number 4 now. This is background scenes. Cool, right? So yeah, let's scroll down. Module 5 is Motion Town object assets. Then this is banner promotion templates. Again, you can click on all these videos, check them out before you buy. Okay, looks like I'm sleeping. So module 10 and I guess so module 13 as well, transition effects, and module 14. So there are many things which you're going to get in this offer. It's only going to cost you $20 to start with. And then we have some questions. So what is Motion Town? So please note that this is not the software. It is these are templates and you will need PowerPoint for Windows to edit all this, and you can read everything here. Okay, so what is included? It is advice that the preview. So it's all, they're saying they will do the best to give you what you see here. License will be commercial, so you can use it in your projects and your clients projects. How can you edit this? You will have to open the PowerPoint. You can see here they're suggesting that you open like PowerPoint 2013 or beyond. So can you guarantee the video you can make in 60 seconds? There's no guarantee, obviously. It depends how fast you are. Any OTOs? Yes, there are OTOs. I'll show you in a moment. And then we have here, is it possible for me to modify the text resulting in a transformation? Regrettably, this is not feasible. The voiceover integrated into the template is derived from a genuine human voice rather than So you should read all this. Okay, if you are about to buy this, just go and read everything. Make sure you're clear, and then you can go and buy. Could you kindly explain the process of downloading this? You will be getting login details into your email. Is audio included in the package? No, but we are unable to provide. Okay, so you will be getting the templates only. After that, either you can do your own voiceover or they will tell you where to go and download those voices. Refund policy, no refund policy. Ask me, only buy this if you want this, otherwise do not buy from me. Don't waste your time, don't waste my time, don't waste their time. Okay, only buy if you want this, otherwise don't buy. How do I contact support? You can contact them on this link here, support.rootpixel.net. Okay, so you can copy this and paste it in a new tab, and you can raise a support ticket. So you can also contact them here before buying this if you have any questions, and once they answer you, then you can go ahead and make a purchase. Okay, but later on, if you need the support, always go on this link. Anything else do we have? No, not really. Okay, right, so we have cool templates. Okay, and again, if you want to take a look at everything, you will find the link below my YouTube video here. Click on grab Motion Town copy here, come to this page, check out all these videos one by one, and then you can go and buy this. This is for people who are into video editing already. Either you are a freelancer who is selling these videos to your clients, or you are some digital marketing agency, or you're some tech savvy guy who creates videos for his own maybe for YouTube or for something else. Okay, so in case you are into that category, you are most welcome to go and buy this. Now we will talk about the OTOs, which are right here. OTO 1 is front end, then this is front end. OTO 1 is for 34, then this is OTO 2 36, then 77 29. Okay, now what this is all about, there's not much explanation that what is exactly inside the OTOs. So when you will buy the front end, after that you will be taken to the sales pages of these OTOs one by one, where you can check out all the features. Okay, so go and buy this thing called the Motion Town. This is for people who are working with videos, but in case you're a beginner, as a beginner, these videos might look fancy to you, but you don't have any need. Okay, for example, let me give you an example. Okay, this video which you see here right now, it's quite animated and all very good looking. Okay, and then you have my video, this review which you're watching. Okay, so if I have this video, or if I record my video myself, which is a basic video, all you are looking at is my laptop screen and listening to my voice, that's it. Okay, but this video, my basic video which you're watching right now, has made me money already, because you must have seen some ads in my YouTube video. So you have to understand, sometimes fancy, this is it is not necessary to go fancy. Okay, if you want to make money on the internet, it's nowhere written that you have to go fancy. I make money with simple basic videos, and I don't please anyone anyway. Okay, if you go to my channel and you click on TubeCore here, and you will find many videos in which I don't impress anyone, and I still get sales, and I still make money with YouTube ad revenue. Okay, so making money is not necessarily just showing off everything, trying to lucrate everybody. This is called marketing. For other people, they try to make everything lucrative just so that they can get sales. I am quite different. I only create the need, not the greed. Okay, so if I will launch my product, the sales page will be quite simple, to the point, and there will be a video in which I will be talking, and after that, if you are a human with brain, you will buy something from me. If you are only going for show off, then you will lose your money probably. Okay, anyways, in this case, if you have the need of this Motion Town templates, go and buy this. But if you are only a newbie guy, okay, your dream is only to make money on the internet, then this thing, Motion Town, has got nothing to do with making money for newbies. Okay, if you're a newbie, let's say if I give you these videos for free, what are you going to do with them? How will you make money with them? You have no idea. Okay, so it's not necessary for newbies to go fancy from the day one. Okay, because fancy means here, somebody will say go and buy a new laptop, or buy a new mic and spend so much money, then go and buy a new DSLR camera, the costly camera, because you have to come on YouTube. No, all of that is not required for making money online. Right now I have a broken headphone on my head, which I had been using since last 5 years. It's not even breaking properly, so that I can buy. I have the new one. The new one is sitting in my almirah, in my wardrobe. Okay, but this old one is not still fully broken. So making money is quite simple, as long you know the process, as long you know what to do. Okay, anyways, two different categories of people: experienced freelancers, you go and buy this. But if you're a hardcore newbie, and if your end goal is only to make money online, I have a couple of options. After that, you can decide if you want to do what I do or not. It's entirely up to you. Okay, it says here, make money on autopilot with forex trading. Forex trading is like this thing here. We do currency trading, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, but we do this with the help of a software, so you don't have to do much on your own. Okay, so we'll talk about this in the end. And then it says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis is all about making these reviews and making money on YouTube by selling, or rather, by YouTube ad revenue. Because when you are watching my YouTube video, in this video, you have seen some ads. So I have made money whether you buy something from me or not. Okay. So in the end, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. And if you want to support and contribute, you make little super thanks. However, subscribe is free, like is free, do all of that. And in the end, I'll show you how to make money using these two methods. So watch the video till the end. Now, if your end goal is only to make money online, then come below my video right now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, you may click on super thanks. Now, click on the first link here. It says make money on autopilot with forex trading. Now, forex trading is quite simple and complicated at the same time because it's about the knowledge. So you do not need to know exactly what's happening here, but if you take a look at this machine or the graph right now, this is a currency graph. So the concept is that you buy currency at low price and you sell when the price goes up. So buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. Okay. Now we will not be doing any of this manually because we will be using a software, and then that software will be doing all this buying and selling automatically on our behalf, and we will be just making profits. Okay, so again, come below and click on the first link here, then come on this page, enter your name, enter your email address, then click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. There are two videos on the main sales page of the syndicate, option 1 and option 2. Watch those two videos till the end to understand what this method is all about. Okay, I cannot explain everything right now in this video, so you have to go and fill up the form, then watch those two videos till the end, and after that, if you want to get started, then you can contact me or message me on Skype, or if you have any questions, you can again message me on Skype. Okay, do not contact me before watching those two videos till the end, otherwise I will block you. Don't contact me without your without doing your homework. Okay, if you're not serious, get out. So contact me only if you're serious, interested, and you have done your homework, right? So fill up the form and go on the sales page, watch those two videos, and then you can get back to me, because the syndicate will make you 60% profits weekly for doing nothing, because you do not have to go through any training, any modules or anything. I will be managing everything on your behalf. So I will be setting up the virtual machine, I will be setting up the graph, I will be installing the software, I will be giving the settings to the software, everything I will manage on your behalf. And once we start making profits with the system, then you get to keep 60% profits weekly and I get to keep 40% profits weekly. I'm talking about profits, okay? When the system makes money, then only you get paid and then only I get paid, right? If you want to know how to get started, fill up the form and watch those videos and then get back to me. Now, second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now on YouTube. So in case you want to make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, or you want to make money without selling anything, then go and get Traffic Jarvis, because Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money on YouTube without even selling anything. For example, in this YouTube video, when you are watching my video, you have seen some ads as well. These ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not, okay? Because my YouTube channel is monetized, and in order for this to work for you, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel. And with the help of Traffic Jarvis, you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, right? So with Traffic Jarvis, you will be able to do exactly what I'm doing right now, make these reviews, affiliate marketing, email marketing, YouTube monetization, everything. But the difference between the first option here and the second option is that in first option, make money on autopilot with forex thingy, you have to do nothing and you still make 60% profits. If you want to go and get Traffic Jarvis and work on YouTube, then you have to work manually, okay? Both methods work. I am doing them both personally, and I'm making money using both the methods, because the first system is completely on autopilot. So I have time, and if I have time, I come on YouTube and I make my video. So I can do both. Now, I don't know your situation. You might want to go with the first option, or you might want to go with the second, or you might want to go with the both, just like me, okay? So choose whatever suits your situation, okay? In the end, again, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. As a YouTuber, I can't subscribe to my own channel, right? So check out these links, and in the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far. And when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside traffic Jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.